Got a flashlight icon on your lock screen? Here's how to remove it in 1 minute. First, wake your phone and view the lock screen with the flashlight icon. That icon is a shortcut tied to Control Center access on many phones. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Tap Face ID and passcode, or Touch ID and passcode on older models, then enter your passcode. Scroll to allow access when locked and toggle Control Center off. This prevents Control Center from opening on the lock screen and removes the flashlight button. If you use Android, open Settings, search Lock Screen or Gestures, and disable Quick Access Flashlight. Lock the phone and check the lock screen to confirm the flashlight icon is gone. If the icon remains, restart your phone or update your operating system and repeat the steps. To restore the shortcut later, reverse these steps and enable Control Center or Quick Access again. Summary: Settings, passcode, disable Control Center on lock screen. Flashlight icon removed. You are done.